Hi everyone! For this week, I am going to show you what or how I do transcriptions. What is transcription? It is the transformation of verbal, audio, or video materials into text using transcription tools. This is one of the first tasks or jobs that I did before because it was easier and it was but for me it was easier to find clients that looks for transcription jobs. At the same time, there are a lot of sites where you can apply for transcription. I use this as one of my experiences in applying for longer based or long-term jobs. So hopefully this you are willing to try out transcriptions and find it fun. Okay, so again, it is basically the transcribing of audio or video materials into text, but with the aid of transcription tools. You will not be using Word document in typing it out. Okay, so but I will show you at the end how I do it. So transcription tools, these are the three of my favorite tools: Transcribe, O-Transcribe, and ExpressScribe. The first one, Transcribe, is not free. They have a trial period of 7 days. So if you want to try it out, I will add the link in my post. And then O-Transcribe is free forever, and you don't have to sign up. You just go to otranscribe.com and do your transcription there. ExpressScribe is different because it is a software that you have to download, and it is also only free for 7 days. Okay, so these are the tools which I will be showing you later. Now, these are the transcription jobs online for beginners which you can try out. Accutrans Global, AppnScribe, BAM, Birch Creek Communications, Casting Words, CrowdSurf, Daily Transcription, GetTranscribe, GMR Transcription, Neil R. Gross, RMK Transcription, and Scribey. I've tried Casting Words, GetTranscribe. I have accounts there. AppnScribe and Accutrans Global. So I've joined these sites and earned from these sites before. Um, it was fun. I actually like it, but I also learned that I want to do more of the video editing and social media stuff. But if you are willing to try this out, transcription, for just to get experience, because once you start with this, it will be part of your portfolio or resume that you did transcription jobs, and when you apply for other jobs it will be a bit easier because this already counts as an online job experience. So try this out. They also pay in dollars, so it will be good side job for you if you are not yet doing anything full-time virtually. So, and yes, they are not scammers, or they really do pay through PayPal. Okay, so what you need to do first is, of course, test your ability test your ability when it comes to typing. When you apply on those jobs that I have mentioned, you must be at least, I think, can type at least 45 words per minute. So if you are not sure yet of your typing speed, you may go into these sites: typingtest.com, keyhero.com, 10fastfingers.com, to try out your typing speeds. Your being fast is not really recommended, but if you want to do more, if you do more audio, you will earn more audio. So as much as possible, you can try and test yourself, and let's see what your typing speed is. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm going to close this presentation and show you how I do transcriptions. So basically, I go into, for example, otranscribe.com. This is one of the tools that I love because it is forever free. So all you have to do is, for example, I was given a video. This tool also, uses audio or a video file, or if your client's video or audio is on YouTube, you can just add the link of the video here and transcribe. Or in my case, I have a video file. I'll go to that file, load it up, and type away. So the best thing here is if you want to pause, all you have to do is press your escape key. And if you want to start playing, press play.
Welcome back, I'm Sean Chuchuk.
Okay, so he said, welcome back. So he said, welcome back. I'm Sean Chuchuk.
Welcome back, I'm Sean Chuchuk. Your personal life?
Okay, so your personal life.
Sean Chuchuk. Your personal life, your business or career, it's all predicated.
Your business or career.
Business or career, it's all predicated upon relationships. Those people. You know, a few days ago we talked about the people you would.
Those people. A few days ago. So basically, that's how you do transcription. What you need here is a clean ear. Basically, clean ears. Kidding. Your hearing skills must be good, because sometimes the audio or the video you will be transcribing can be a bit noisy, like the one I have right now, because he's in a car. So you make sure you can hear him clearly. But sometimes you also have to deal with different accents. I've had experiences with Aussie clients, Australian, New Zealander, and British. These are the three difficult languages that I find hard to transcribe. It's still English, right? But their accents can be difficult to understand sometimes. So for those transcriptions, it's a bit slow. I tend to be a bit slow. It's okay to be slow. You really don't have to be very fast, as long as you get the text. Yeah, the text well. After I type this out, I of course I go back to see if I have the spelling correctly. I have the punctuation, but there are clients who are not particular with the punctuations, or even the spacing, or if the sentence is correct, as long as you type out what he is saying. Sometimes there would be ones will co- uh, who will who wants you to arrange it to see if the grammar and spelling the grammar is correct. The spelling, of course, it's your responsibility to check if it's correct. Now, after transcribing this, all I do is copy it and then transfer it to our document, and recheck again the spacing and the spelling, and then send it to my client. So basically, that's it. That's how transcription is. So this is my very, very favorite tool, or transcribe.com. The other one is Transcribely, or Transcribe. It's I don't have a current subscription here, because like I've said, it's only 7 days trial, and the express scribe. So that's it. So if you want to try out transcription, you may try the different sites, which I will add to the link, and have fun. Just ask me if you need my help. Thank you.